ADB Nexus brings phone diagnostics and remote Android management into one clear workspace. Start with RAM usage, CPU activity, storage, battery, sensors, installed apps, display information, and test progress at a glance. Open device for model, manufacturer, product, board, and hardware identity. System shows the Android release, API level, security patch, runtime, and platform details. CPU explains architecture, supported ABIs, core count, frequencies, and graphics information. Battery tracks level, health, status, temperature, voltage, current, and power. Network and SIM shows Wi-Fi, addressing, routing, and connection data. Connectivity reports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. Display covers resolution, density, orientation, refresh rate, and supported display features. Memory breaks down RAM and storage. Camera lists detected lenses, resolutions, and supported modes. Thermal collects available temperature sources. Sensors opens the full sensor list and live detail readings. The Apps tab lists visible packages with versions and sizes. Open an app to review its API targets, permissions, activities, services, receivers, providers, and device features. App Analyzer groups the installed catalog by installer, target SDK, minimum SDK, signature, and platform. Tests brings common hardware checks into one place, including display, multi-touch, flashlight, speakers, microphone, proximity, sensors, charging, vibration, Bluetooth, and more. Host tools add floating system monitors, permission analysis, Wi-Fi analysis, data usage, widget previews, a compass, and exportable PDF or text reports. Need to work with another Android device? Open Connect and choose USB OTG, wireless pairing, discovery, saved targets, or manual connection. Once an authorized ADB target is connected, the same information dashboard can inspect that phone. ADB Nexus also provides package controls, file workflows, an authorized terminal, reusable commands, remote screen controls, screenshots, diagnostics, and a visible remote camera workflow. Use local Android APIs for this phone, or switch to an authorized ADB target when you need deeper remote work. ADB Nexus keeps both modes together.